Hey. Nikki Brown here, no matter where you are and what part of the world you're in. I hope that you're having a good day. Why is it that when it rains, any aches and pains that you have, even if you weren't in pain any other time, when it rains or when it's really cold, you feel those aches and pains? I've been walking and working out, and today it's been raining all day. Now it rained up other days, but it just rained for a few minutes and then it stopped. But for some reason, because it's been raining all day, and I just ran out and came back in, my knees started hurting. What is that about? I just wanted to know. If you have an answer for me, I'd love to hear it. Love y'all. Later. Mwah.